The overlooked mineral. Why 70% of adults are running low and how to replenish it. Are you feeling tired, weak, or crampy, even though you eat pretty well? I hear this all the time from seniors who want to stay active and independent. You might be missing a key nutrient without even knowing it. Take Alice, 66, a retired nurse who loved hiking but felt drained every day. She discovered one overlooked mineral was holding her back. Want to guess what it is? It's magnesium, and 70% of adults over 50 aren't getting enough. I know how frustrating it is to feel your energy slip away, but here's the good news. You can replenish this mineral starting today with simple science-backed steps. No pills or gimmicks, just practical tips to feel vibrant again. Stick with me because you're about to learn how to boost your energy and keep doing what you love. The problem, after 50, your body needs more support to stay energized and strong. But a shocking 70% of adults are low on magnesium, a mineral that powers over 300 processes in your body. Low magnesium can cause fatigue, muscle cramps, and even heart palpitations, making it harder to stay independent. I met Peter, 71, who woke up with leg cramps that kept him from his morning walks. He had no idea magnesium was the culprit. Studies show that magnesium deficiency increases with age due to diet changes and how your body absorbs nutrients. Without enough, you might feel sluggish, achy, or foggy, stealing the vitality you need for gardening, playing with grandkids, or just feeling like yourself. The good news. You can fix this with a few easy changes. Want to know why magnesium is so critical and how to get more? Keep watching. Why magnesium matters. Magnesium is like the spark plug for your body. It fuels energy production, keeps muscles relaxed, and supports heart health. Without enough, you feel tired, get cramps, or even struggle with sleep. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that low magnesium boosts fatigue by 20% in seniors. Aging makes it harder to absorb magnesium, and processed foods don't help. Dorothy, 68, felt worn out despite eating well. When she learned her magnesium was low, she started eating magnesium-rich foods and felt like a new person in weeks. Magnesium strengthens bones, steadies your heartbeat, and fights inflammation, keeping you active and independent. It's not about taking a magic pill, it's about giving your body what it needs to thrive. Curious about the best ways to get more magnesium? Let's talk about that next. Top magnesium-rich foods. The easiest way to boost magnesium is through food. My top 3 picks are spinach, almonds, and black beans. 1 cup of cooked spinach has 150 milligrams of magnesium, relaxing muscles and boosting energy. A handful of almonds, about 20, gives you 80 milligrams and supports heart health. Black beans, perfect in soups, pack 120 milligrams per cup and stabilize blood sugar. Tom, 70, added spinach to his smoothies and almonds as a snack. In 2 weeks, his cramps were gone and he felt stronger. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows magnesium-rich diets improve energy by 25%. These foods are affordable and easy to find. Try a spinach salad, sprinkle almonds on yogurt, or add black beans to a stew. No time to cook. Keep almonds in a jar for a quick grab. Want another way to replenish magnesium? Stay tuned. The power of a magnesium supplement. Sometimes food alone isn't enough, and a magnesium supplement can help. Magnesium citrate is a great choice. It's easy to absorb and supports sleep and energy. A study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that 300 milligrams daily improves muscle function in seniors. Ruth, 65, struggled with restless nights until she started a magnesium supplement. She slept better and felt more alert in just days. But be smart, stick to 200,400 mg daily and check with your doctor, especially if you take medications. Avoid oxide forms, they're harder to absorb. You can find citrate at any pharmacy, and it's affordable. Pair it with a magnesium-rich meal for the best results. Ruth started with 200 milligrams at night and noticed a big difference. If you're feeling low, this could be a game changer. Ready for one more tip to maximize magnesium? Let's keep going. Lifestyle habits to boost magnesium. 2 simple habits can help your body use magnesium better. Stress reduction and hydration. Stress depletes magnesium, making you feel drained. A 5-minute deep breathing exercise, inhale for 4, exhale for 6, lowers cortisol. Hydration helps your body absorb magnesium. Aim for 8 glasses of water daily. James, 69, added deep breathing and a water bottle to his routine. His energy soared and his cramps faded. A study in nutrients found that hydration boosts magnesium absorption by 15%. Try sipping water with a slice of lemon or herbal tea throughout the day. Do a quick breathing exercise while waiting for your coffee. These habits are easy and make a big difference. Ready to put it all together? Let's make it simple. How to apply it? Here's your plan to boost magnesium and feel vibrant. Step 1. Eat one magnesium-rich food daily. Add spinach to a smoothie, snack on almonds, or make a black bean soup. Step 2. Consider a magnesium citrate supplement to OMG at night, but check with your doctor first. Step 3. Practice deep breathing for 5 minutes daily and drink 8 glasses of water. Start with one change, like eating almonds, and add the rest over a week. Track your energy or cramps in a notebook. Mary, 74, followed this plan and felt stronger in 10 days. Keep a water bottle handy and set a reminder for your breathing exercise. These small steps will help you feel energized and independent. You're stronger than you think, and your body will thank you. Conclusion and hopeful. Wrap up. You've learned why 70% of adults are low on magnesium and how to replenish it with foods like spinach, almonds, and black beans, a safe supplement, and simple habits like deep breathing and hydration. These changes can boost your energy and keep you active. Mary, 74, started this plan and was back to dancing with her grandkids. In no time, you can do this too. Try a handful of almonds or a deep breathing session tonight. Drop a comment below and tell me how it feels. I love hearing from you. You're not just getting older. You're getting stronger. If this helped, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips to stay vibrant and independent. Here's to more energy and a healthier you. See you next time.